Hey, Catalina, it's Carl. Come on, let's go. We got banks to rob, baby. Come on, let's go.
In here, mi amor.
All right, come on, let's go.
You get your sorry ass in here right now, Carl Johnson, or I shove a fucking hand grenade up it.
All right, I'm coming. Look, baby, I really need that paper. Oh, my God! What in hell's name is that?
This, you fucking prick? This is a rack. I'm gonna
No,
torture
baby,
your sorry
no,
ass.
Please, no.
You never write to me. You don't call. You treat me like a fucking whore. Like one of your whores.
No, baby, please, I ain't into that shit.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
Oh, baby, please, no. Please, baby, no. Ow! Hey! Ooh! Ah! Ouch! Damn! Oh, shit!
Yes! Faster! Harder! Deeper! Oh, yes! Yes! Yes!
Maybe we can go out and rob now? Show me
How
what
was
you got. Different.
I knew you would like it.
Look, baby, I thought we was gonna make some serious paper.
I'm starting to get really bored of you.
I just need the money.
And I'm just a cheap fuck? A whore you don't even pay?
No, I didn't say that.
Carl, I say I'm in love with you, and you act like I'm an idiot. I see the way you look at other women. I know you're kind, Carl. I am serious. I will kill you if you ever mess around. I will castrate you first, then I will make you eat them.
Enough! I need some fucking money.
Carl, you are really boring me now.
Please, sweetheart. I got in some real deep shit.
Okay, maybe today we hit it big. God damn. Hand over the takings or I blow your fucking balls off!
This here is bulletproof glass. So you can just fuck off, bitch, before I call the sheriff.
What are you doing, son? Just give her the cash.
Suit yourself, maricon. Change of plan, Carl. We're taking the tanker.
Hey, what you doing?
Two low-down niggas going crazy.
Yeah, take your time, man.
See ya, mister. Bye now.
Mama said the store brought.
Yeah,
I'm
what
the
you gonna do
prey.
now, huh?
I am prepared to fillet you.
Just play pool, fool.
Reason obviously won't work here.
I don't need this shit.
You have forfeited the rules of fair play. I can scrap.
Young oh, what it?
You have forced me into action. Regrettable, but necessary.
Now stay cool.
Violence is a last resort. There's only one way to solve this.
Oh no!
I am prepared to fillet you.
Oh hell no!
Reason obviously won't work
Ah! Oh shit!
here. Rules of fair play.
Oh shit! Oh!
You have forced me into action. Regrettable, but necessary. Violence is a last resort. There's only one way to solve this.
Oh motherfucker!
I am
Brother's dumb, pa's feeble minded.
No!
Nice to meet you both. Hello. You ever got blind
can
to
swear.
drinking? No, I've never had the opportunity. Where was I? All right, get out of here.
You have forced me into action.
Oh, this fool!
Regrettable, but
Luke got
necessary.
his head stuck in a bottle.
Bullshit!
Violence is a last resort. There's only one way to solve this.
Ah, no!
I am
This whole county drinks my shine.
Where you going?
reason always. You have forfeited.
Yeah, got a gun in your face, huh?
I can scrap. I ain't losing another crappy job because of some crazy bitch. Come on, Derek, we're gonna stop those bastards.
Do I have to?
Drive! I know a guy who'll pay for this rig and its cargo.
Block their route!
I don't want to do this.
You'll be so kind as to move. Keep up with them!
Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
Traffic's backed up from there.
Hello, Mr. Whitaker.
Catalina, what have you brought me today?
A rig and tanker full to the brim with premium gas.
Never seen it, never saw you, never gave you this water cash.
Nice not doing business.
Likewise. Now get out of here before the cops come snooping. If you ever want to run some freight for me, just drop in. I've always got shit to move.
Goodbye.
Hey, what's happening?
Why you so cheery? You thought I was one of your cheap whores?
Baby, you gotta chill the fuck out and...
I'll chill out when you get here.
My car,
You better hope I don't make testicle kebabs when you arrive.
Look, this ain't no...
No more talk. Get your ass up here, now!
Tell over, little homie.
How are you?
Los Angeles is beautiful.
Better than World of Cog.
Have you ever been to Samoa?
Right. That's the truth.
Respect, little homie.
See you later.
Soon you have bicycles like mine.
Dude, I ain't got time for this.
Now, let me bail before I catch a murder. You just honored my shoe.
Hey, Holmes, I've been busy.
Caesar, what's up?
I can smell not your oxide from a mile off. Racing, my friend. Cars, not beautiful cars, but fast, man, fast.
What are you talking about?
Street racers from San Fierro. They meet out here to tear up the blacktop. No chota choppers. You want to make some money?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
Why you keep asking me that, Holmes? I told you, I don't know. What Holiness does his business is his business. Just get a fast car and meet me in Kendall just south of Montgomery. See you, man.
I'm gagging.
Hey, move
I'm never
Don't
fair.
tell this
I
to
like
your
it
wife,
rough.
please.
Call me on my cell later.
Now who the bitch, bitch?
A handmade shirt is second to none.
Wait, don't entertain girls.
Come to mama.
I ain't got time for your bullshit, dude.
I gotta get my hair done.